Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 110th day of recording myself. As you can see, I am in different room right now. Today I am in different room, but it is the same floor where I used to where I'm recording from 3 to 4 days regularly. So right now I'm on the third floor of my house, and today I'm going to practice the thing which I used to practice earlier, that what I can hear, what I am feeling, and what I can see in front of me, right in the moment. So right now, firstly I will talk about my feeling, that I am feeling very happy, thrilled and delighted, because I am just feeling that I am able to converse, and some of you are watching my videos. That is like um, cherry on the top, cherry on the cake. And it is very nice thing that some of you are watching, and what I'm feeling happy. So that is the thing. And one more thing is that today my elder sister, she cooked dessert, which is like I love having dessert. So I just have a full bowl of dessert, and I'm very happy. And it was very tasty. And other than that, firstly I will talk about what I can hear. So I can hear the chirping of like frog. The like they are not chirping that, but they are making some kind of a sound which frog makes. It means they are talking to each other and making some sound. And other than that, I am hearing the sound of fan, which is running. The fan is running in my room. And along with that, I can hear the sound of my brother. He is also recording himself, but he don't post it on the social media. He just delete that from his gallery. He record himself and delete the video from the gallery. And after that, I can also hear the sound of my younger sister. She is talking to her friend. I don't know what she is talking, but she is talking to her friend. And along with that, I can hear my voice too, because I am also recording myself, and I am hearing my own sound. And have you noticed, like, did you hear the noise of lizard? I hope many of you haven't feel and listen to the sound of lizard. But in my house, I was the first one who noticed that how lizard like make sound. It was like like I don't know how to make it. But one time I was just looking at the lizard very like consciously, and I was very focused that I'm not gonna change my eyes, and I'm not going to look here and there. I was just continuously looking at the lizard. And whenever he was opening his mouth, like he was just, it was like he is chewing something. Then I was just looking at him, like I have noticed 2 to 3 minutes. Whenever he was open, like the lizard one was opening his mouth, there was sound coming to my ears. And from there I got to know that this is how lizard makes sound. One day my sister was just sitting around me, and there was a lizard who was making sound, and she was confused that from where this sound is coming. In day you are not going to hear, but in night, when it is there is no sound, there is no other sounds, nobody is making sound in your house, then you can only notice. That was the night when she told me, who is making that kind of a sound, very weird sound. I told her that the lizard is making sound. So she was like, what the hell, what kind of thing you notice? Let me tell you one thing, that I am very very scared of lizards. Where I can see lizard, I am not able to be there for more time. If he is like, I'm here and he is there, the lizard is there, then I can only sit, I can look at it. but when it is just above me or around me, just near to me, I can't sit over there. It is very scary feeling, because some of the time there is like so many times happen that lizard fall on me, and I can't explain that feeling. Oh my god, that is too weird. I just don't like, I hate it. I just hate that. I don't like that. It was like I something has grabbed me. One day I was sleeping, and suddenly it feels on my hand, and I was just seeking my hand so that it go away from my hand, but it was like holding me very tightly. I was just crying a lot. Some of the everyone just woke up and they were like, what happened to you? Then they sighed from my hand lizard. From there, I have fear of lizard inside me. That's all about hearing. Now I will tell you how what I can see in front of me. So here I can see a platform which there is lots of book. These book are of my sister, my brothers, and mine also. But there is no lots of book of mine. There is also a book. There is a container, glass container, in which my mother, she kept it for planting trees. I have told you yesterday that there is so many plants in my home. You can see there is an example. Two of them is there. Two of them is there. There is a lizard. Two of them is there. The another one is there. You can see this one, and the last one. And there is also a tree that is called money plant. And along with that, I can see a chair, I can see a center table, there is sofa, and there is lots of pillows on the sofa. Because we got to know that we don't need to, like, we are not allowed to keep the chairs empty. That is not good. So we have kept some of the things on someone. Like on this one, I have kept book, and there is a diary, and there is like, what is that called, light, circle light, ring light, and there is two pillows, and on this there is pebbles, and there are like so many colorful pebbles are there on my center table. And here is a snake plant. Here is the another snake plant which my mother has planted. And now you have already seen in this room what is there. There is a wardrobe, there is a almirah, and there is another almirah, and there is a dining table which we don't use in eating or having food on this, sitting on having food on this. This is just, there is so many books. Here is like laptop and keyboard, and here is more book. That's all which you can see in front of me right now. And the other thing which I have already told you anything, what I'm hearing, what I'm feeling, and this is all about the what I can see in front of me. So you can similarly, you can also describe whatever you are seeing, whatever you are feeling, whatever you are listening. That's all you can describe, and you can practice in this way. So this was the first thing which I used to do, like many times I have done it. If you will see my videos, like I have recorded so many times like this, talking what I can see, what I can feel, what I'm feeling, and what I can see. So I have practiced in this way many a times, and it helped me a lot in practicing English. In starting, we don't have idea what to talk, what to not. But this was the first thing. This was the one thing. Whenever I don't have things to speak, I just start to speak on this topic. And some of the days which I'm not feeling good, and whatever the feeling is, I just used to describe it over there. So similarly, you can also, if you want to practice, you can. This is the thing on which you can talk endlessly. And that's all for today's video. I'm a bit late today in recording, but that's all okay. I'm just recording and I just want to be regular this time. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye guys.